Let's see how you can get AI insight right into your Matomo instance from your report. The first thing you need to do is to install the Mistral AI plugin for free from the marketplace. Once the plugin is installed, then you can go to System, General Settings, and look for Mistral AI. Here, you can use your host version of Mistral AI, or you can change and install your local endpoint for Matomo. Then you can provide an API key if you use the regular host, or just leave it empty if you are using your personal Mistral AI. Then you can use the preset to choose the language, change the model, or you can use your own custom model. And then you can change the base prompt for chat and the base prompt for insight. Let's see how it works. The first thing is you got the new Mistral AI button right in your navbar. Here, you can ask anything about Matomo, but you don't get access to your data directly. So ask for tips. How to create goals in Matomo. We will explain how you can create goals, but we won't do it for you. Now, if you want to get real insights, then go to your dashboards and directly for visitors and, for example, the software reports, you've got in the top right of each report the new Mistral AI icon. So click on it, then all the data provided in this report will be sent to Mistral. Mistral will analyze the data, give you some insights. If the base insight is not that accurate for you, you can continue the conversation using this form at the very bottom of the widget. You can continue the conversation, explain, can you summarize this data? What are those data compared to that data set? You can continue the conversation. The Mistral AI plugin is also compatible with all types of data from Matomo. It's adaptive to each premium plugins. It works with pie charts, bar charts, reports, and row evolution. Feel free to use this plugin and share if you